We're at Kentucky Down Under.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
No. But look, a kangaroo.
So we decided to rent a golf cart because apparently it's a long walk. We had to wait for one though because there's a lot of people here today. I got the key.
Is it? Okay, we got.
Is this the
Oh no, we got far to go up here.
Gift shop. We'll hit that on the way back.
Oh, look at this hill.
Oh.
Here we go.
Carrots.
What's that in there?
No.
This is gonna be cool, isn't it?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Oh, there's that bird.
Oh, yeah.
These petals are so close. There's the snake.
Oh, there's
guy.
the snake. Look. Look at the snake. Right there. Look.
Come here, Claude. I mean, we're not ready for that yet, but we'll do it. You want to pet him?
Oh my goodness.
Feels cool, right? Yeah. What does it feel like?
Like a snake? What's it feel
Some
like?
people say they feel like a basketball.
Make a noise really quick right here.
No, you.
Please do not feed fingers to the birds.
Look.
Want your food?
Those real turtles?
Where?
They going over by the corner?
I don't know.
Yep.
Landon, there's a turtle.
Look at this big turtle over here.
Landon.
That's not real. That's not real. It's real? For real?
It's real for real?
Feel this right here. Feel it.
Oh, it is real. He's moving his head. I could have swore that was a statue. What do you think about that? That's pretty cool, huh?
Feel it down.
Yeah.
What's he feel like?
It feels like.
What does he feel like? Hi.
Hey, turtle.
Put some of that food down there. He might eat it. Put it down in front of him.
No, I don't think he's going to eat it.
No.
He doesn't want it. He's putting his head back.
He's so soft.
Oh my goodness.
Landon.
Hi there, baby. Precious thing.
Oh.
Aww. Oh, look at that. Is it just a baby? Oh my goodness.
I'm your baby. We're wet.
Hey. Landon. Hey. Where you going?
He's already on the table.
Oh.
It likes me, did it?
You don't like it. Rear up on his tail and he'll be kicking.
Look at it, Landon.
He says, I got an itch.
Oh boy. Did you get that?
Yeah.
That looked like Pasha. Careful.
Little I got watch on me.
Look at that little fluffy one here.
Hey, that's on
Oh my goodness, you are soft.
Hey, he just stepped on poop.
You are soft. Holy moly.
Yup, it wants some.
Yeah?
Does it like my food?
Yeah. Oh, okay, she was done. It's just running free.
Oh, man, oh, man. Man, oh, man, you horse. Man, oh, man.
Be careful.
Man, oh, man, horse. You're in the water.
It's making noise. It wants your food. Get closer.
Here, Camel. I pat it.
I don't know. I don't think it wants you to pet it. It doesn't want you to pet it. Okay, don't torment it.
I'm gonna try to add him.
Oh, he said, get that closer to me. Watch out. Look at his tongue. Hi, little baby.
He is playful.
Yeah.
He is trying to grab a hold.
Yes, you are.
Our manager takes him home every night and is up with him every 2 hours, and he nurses and he picks at him, and that's why he's learning to do that. Pick, pick, pick. You better quit swinging on me. So what?
Hey, you. It's gonna go up there and poop on us.
Right. Gonna pee.
Yeah, yeah. Where do you think we're going?
Into the deep wood to see that bad wolf.
Oh, yeah?
I think that'll be scary. Whoa. Hey, wolf, where are you?
They're definitely gonna find us.
Are you scared? There's no reason to be scared.
Isn't that neat? It's growing down here in the dark.
Where's the wolf? Where's the wolf at? Oh, it's hunting me.
It's wet. You gotta be real careful up through here.
Why?
Cause it's wet.
What's his name? What's his name?
This cave is not for people who have mobility issues. It is hard, and I wish that they had told us when we got our tickets, but no one did. I'm not sure. Just talked to another couple and they didn't tell them either, so something they might want to do here. Other than that, it's great, but this is a little, we went in a few hairy spots where it was really hard. Whoa, what do you see? And I'm just gonna say it again. This cave is not for anyone with any sort of mobility issues whatsoever. Kelly's mom had a lot of trouble in this cave. We had to get the guide to help, and it is really steep in some areas. I actually struggled just a little bit. So any older people, really small kids that you might have to hold, I really think they should warn when you're getting your ticket, and that's just a little tip for everyone. Now we're gonna go in the gift shop, and Landon's about tired out. So we'll visit a couple more things and then we're gonna make the journey back home. And of course we found the cat. Come here, kitty kitty. Hi there. Yeah, that's me. And yet another kitty. Pretty boy. Oh no, you can't stick your finger in there.
It said do not feed the bird's fingers.
Roll your tongue and see.
I think they're just tired of everybody.
Yeah. Sweet thing. No. Are you a nice pretty bird? Aww.
This one likes me.
Alright. Yes, whiskers.
Here, this one wants some.
Whoa! Oh! He was like,
It's gonna get hit.
Whoa! Come over here.
Okay, I'll try to extract.
Hey, I'm feeding him some food. Oh, he's doing it. Yeah, do it. No, that is not your. Oh,
Whoa, hi.
hi there. Hi there, horsey. Hi there.
Did you have fun today?